Floating menu. A menu that appears when you hold down the Fn key and move the mouse to the edge of the screen. Each button can be completely customized and you can choose between 4 color designs. Magic mouse. If you're using a magic mouse on your Mac, for example, we could set up a trigger to swipe left or right with 2 fingers on the mouse surface, or for example a 3 or 4 finger left click as another idea for a trigger. Trackpad. If you're using a trackpad, we could set up a trigger, for example, to swipe up with 4 fingers or 3 finger double click, for example. Keyboard shortcut. This is probably the classic method. Simply press a key combination on your keyboard to trigger an automation. A key combination always consists of a function key, that's Shift function, Control, Opt and/or Command, along with one of the other keys. USB device. Even this is possible. Let's say you have 3 different USB sticks. Then we could define each one as a trigger and your Mac would perform a different action for each stick because it can distinguish between them. Since I use a USB connected webcam, I've set it up so that the webcam software opens when I plug it into my MacBook and the program automatically closes when I unplug the USB cable. Time and date. This trigger probably has the greatest potential because it allows actions to be automatically triggered at a specific date and time. And this can be done years in advance if desired. You can use it to automate your story posts on Instagram, just to give one example. Window buttons. Even the 3 red, yellow and green buttons at the top left of every window on your Mac can serve as triggers. For example, in combination with the function key held down, I've assigned the left, middle and right arrangement of each window to these 3 buttons. Ambient light. Another trigger with very interesting potential. Here, any workflow can be triggered by ambient light. The trigger can even be set to sudden changes in lighting conditions. For example, you could set it up so that the photo booth app opens and quietly takes a photo or a video of the room for 30 minutes when the light comes on. Menu bar item. This trigger allows for complete customization of the toolbar at the top right of your Mac screen. An example of use: when you hold down the Fn key of your Mac, your most frequently used emojis appear, and a click inserts the required emoji into the text you're currently writing. Desktop dashboard. Anchored firmly on your desktop, the fully customized dashboard tailored to your needs only becomes visible when you hold down the Fn key. Each button on your dashboard can be individually programmed according to your preferences.